Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here again, just on the workbench. We got a couple parts we're gonna go over. A lot of people ask questions when going with clutches on their 10th and 11th gen Civic 1.5. What's the best one? Well, we always recommend now the Rv6 Retro flywheel with the stage 0 clutch. It holds 400 torque. It's the best option to go with, and honestly, the best price. We're not trying to upsell like a stage 1 or a stage 2. I think most people don't need it. You sometimes can get lockout with those. Just won't go into second, third, fourth gear. But we're gonna go over a little quick part a lot of people miss when they order the clutch. We also offer a little kit that is really perfect to use and order at the same time with your clutch and flywheel. So you can do the whole thing in one round. So let's go over real quick. It's not a long video. The couple additional parts that we recommend. All right, guys. Simple. I had these kits online. Kind of figured it was, worth bringing these out. I know it says brake fluid. The clutch and the brake fluid are all in the same reservoir, so this is what you need. You're gonna want to replace the line. You've got to bleed it anyways when you're doing the clutch. Might as well replace the line. This gets rid of the stock, spongy rubber line that's on there. You get a better pedal feel, better fluid movement. A lot of times when you push in the clutch pedal, you'll get a bulging in the stock soft rubber line. This keeps it nice and firm. Also prevents lockouts. We recommend also going with the Motul. It's a great quality oil fluid that you go with. It's great for the brakes, great for the clutch. We ship out 2 bottles with every little kit. These are the Rv6 lines. Love them. Perfect price on the site. So I'll leave a link below for some of the parts so you guys can check out. Easy from YouTube and just go right onto our site and order. All right, guys, so those parts, I'll leave a link below along with the 2 items for the clutch that you need to do for the flywheel and the clutch. No, you cannot use the stock flywheel with an aftermarket clutch on these cars. It doesn't exist, and if they do, they're garbage. They don't work right. We really love the Rv6 flywheel because you're basically using a stock Type R clutch on a 1.5. So you have that OEM feel, holds a lot of torque. You don't have to worry about it going out. We see some of the people going with some of the other clutches, 10,000 miles, they already got to replace again. OEM throwout bearing, that's a must on these cars. It just works the best. So anyways, yeah, #1 spot to order from. We're always here. We're always answering questions. I don't take weekends off. I don't take any time off. You need an answer, we get to you right away. Unlike a lot of the other companies out there I see online, people are like, yo, I hit these guys. It's been 3 days to even get an email back. What's going on? We're there for you. So you guys don't have to worry about your parts where they're at. Just shoot us a message all the time. If it hasn't shipped in a day or 2, it might be on back order. But look, shoot us a message. I'll give you an answer right away. Or you can even message us before ordering just to double check we have everything. We ship out a lot of stuff every day, so stuff can go out of stock real quick, but it does come back into stock quick. So no problems. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Please do a thumbs up. We're close to finally getting paid by YouTube. And we're trying to bring you the best content on YouTube for all the new age Civics, Accords, everything Type R, you name it. We're here to help you guys out. All right, guys, so it's Mike from Axion. I'm the owner.